a big dream and a bold stand. We are moving hand in hand. We have crossed many a hurdle, but I've never compromised. And our values will always hold true. Confidence in all that we do. Your bright minds take on challenges for you. This is my Infy. This is your Infy.
Today I have come to Infosys Hyderabad Alumni meetup. So this is the campus where I spent my most part of my career in 7.5 years in this Hyderabad STP campus, where I've had a lot of memories, learnings. So it's really nostalgic today to see all the places that I've been, spend time with my friends, learning and building my career. So I'm really glad that I'm able to work with Infosys. So thank you so much for watching.
With willing hands and happy hearts, we are playing our parts. We walk the talk and earn your trust, creating value for us all. And our values will always hold true. Confidence in all that we do. Your bright minds take on challenges for you. This is my Infy. This is your Infy. Your talent beats with passion, speed and innovation.